Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix mail app showing up in the search result. Don't want the mail app from the showing up in the search result, as set of users seem to be one of the hunt for a way to hide the mail app from showing up in the search result. So in this video I'll tell you some ways to disable the mail app from appearing in the search result, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. It's a very easy way to disable the mail app from appearing in the search result tab. To do this, you have to go to this iPhone settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom and find the apps category by scrolling downwards and open it up. Next, scroll down and go to the mail app. Tap on it. After opening the mail app, go to the search tab. In that search page, turn off the show app in search feature. After disabling this option, the mail app won't show up when you search something from the search box on the iPhone. Although you can access the mail app directly from the home screen or directly from the app library, you can ask Siri to open the mail app as well. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix mail app showing up in the search result. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.